I'm Kendra Godsleben, and this is my Sanford Fairview story.
Morning, Kendra.
Good morning. Sanford Health, for me, has been key in my life because I receive weekly infusions for my rare disease called, broad term, mucopolysaccharidosis type 6. With having MPS, I receive weekly infusions, which is an enzyme replacement therapy, and I've been receiving them at Sanford Health for close to 20 years. Since I was 4, Fairview is where I've had almost all my surgeries. I had a decompression, I've had a VP shunt, I've had open heart surgery, that was my most recent. But I've been so blessed with the team up at Fairview. The team always gets together and everybody gets around the table. I can just feel it. They try to come out with the best outcome possible. And for me as a patient, Sanford Health, Fairview, that is what I've always felt is trust. That the trust as a patient is what healthcare teams, once you have that, you're good.
I'm Lee Larson, and this is my Sanford Fairview story. So I manage the staffing and scheduling department at Fairview. I'm originally from here in South Dakota where my parents live. Hello! Hi. And that's where I'm at celebrating Christmas with them. Hi, Ma. Coming from a city back to Huron, it feels very different. It's rural versus the urban city, crazy, nonstop going. And now here, we're gonna go hunting tomorrow probably. I've been with Fairview for 10 years, and what I love about it is the teaching aspect, making a connection. So the building the rapport, the personal connection, whether it's something simple or something big, I think that's what has made me a good nurse. I'm a nurse at Fairview, but my Sanford connection is that my dad's cardiologist, Sister Sanford.
I just had a little bout of AFib.
As a nurse, I try and diagnose everything, and he would explain his symptoms.
Been with the Sanford cardiologist for about 3 years. Been very happy with her.
I think he's in great hands with Sanford, yes.
Larry and I both, as we age, what if something happened? What would we do? The idea of virtual care, virtual health care in the future is very exciting. To think that you could go online literally and visit with a physician, that would be remarkable.
Hi, I'm Renee Schmidtke.
Hi, I'm Greg Schmidtke, and this is our Sanford Fairview story.
This is my first real experience with Fairview. All 3 of our children were born at Fairview Southdale. Being in a network and having the same doctor deliver all 3 babies was a great experience for me.
And then in '97, moving up to Fargo-Moorhead, it was actually Merit Care yet at that time. And then Sanford and Merit Care got together.
I got sick with COVID. I've had knees replaced at Sanford.
I had a heart attack in February of 21, and then a second one in April of 22. But having the doctors with the knowledge that they do. I mean, they did an incredible job, so thank you doesn't seem enough, but I'm here today because of the work they can do. With Sanford and Fairview strengthening care together, my hope isn't just that the care will get more broad spread and better, but that the technology will also be available in a wider area.
My hopes will be that there will be a lot more specialties available, that the care will only get better from there.
This is the new domino game that I want to show us. With Sanford and Fairview strengthening care together, my hope is that it will give the rural communities and population more opportunity at innovation and better health care. I think it's going to be really exciting to see what happens and what kind of opportunities there will be for, not only myself as an employee, but for our patients too. Okay, your turn, Mom.
With Sanford Health and Fairview strengthening care together with 2 incredible institutions combining both the scientific research, the medical teams. It'll be a powerhouse. The care and the compassion that I have received, both from Fairview and Sanford Health, has been amazing. And I believe I am here today because of both teams that have put their energy and belief in me as a patient. I owe my life to you, and I hope that you know just how amazing you are.
See ya. Bye.